Sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. USC Trojans QB Moss projected as top 3 NFL draft pick. Typically, a 6'2", 205-pound 4-star quarterback prospect from Santa Monica, California wouldn't be considered an underdog. Especially a player developed by USC Trojans coach Lincoln Riley, who beat out a 5-star freshman and a group of 5 standout transfer portal additions to win the starting job. Still, USC Trojans quarterback Moss has become America's sweetheart in a sense. Replacing Heisman Trophy-winning quarterback and first overall pick Caleb Williams is a heavy task, but living up to the history of USC quarterbacks is a different beast altogether. Moss couldn't have asked for a better start to his Trojans career as a starter. Through his first 3 starts, Moss is 3-0 including a bowl win and 2 wins over top 25 opponents LSU and Louisville. Moss had thrown for 979 yards, 8 touchdowns, and 1 interception in those 3 starts, good for the most passing yards in the first 3 starts for any quarterback under Riley. Why is that so impressive? That's more than Baker Mayfield, Kyler Murray, Jalen Hurts, Spencer Rattler, and Caleb Williams. That's 3 Heisman Trophy winners, 3 first overall NFL draft picks, 4 All-Americans, and 5 All-Conference quarterbacks. All those quarterbacks are in the NFL and 4 are currently starting. That type of start will garner the attention of NFL scouts and front offices. Media personnel have also begun to take notice. In a recent CBS Sports NFL mock draft, Moss was the 3rd overall pick by the New York Giants. Moss's patience to wait behind Williams has proven to be a wise decision. Competing against the future number 1 overall pick while still being coached by Riley prepared Moss for the eventual starting role. The Trojans quarterback spoke to his relationship with the 2022 Heisman Trophy winner as one of the reasons he wanted to stay at USC. Going back and forth with him for those 2 years really helped shape me as a player, really pushed competitively to be the person, and the player I am today. I'm always grateful for those times. Like I said, me and Caleb are really, really close and I'll always be rooting for him, said Moss. While that's a lofty jump in expectation and there's a ton of football remaining this season, Moss undoubtedly has the spotlight on the national stage. How far he can rise is squarely on his shoulders. More, USC Trojans coach DAnton Lynn explains why safety Akili Arnold wears the green dot. More, USC Trojans recruiting, massive 4-star Viliami Moala commits to Dream School USC. More, USC Trojans trending, 5-star receiver recruit Jerome Myles pushes up commitment date. More, USC Trojans vs.